If your ankles feel weak, grab a seat and a resistance band. These simple exercises will help improve your ankle strength and help you stay steady. Hi, I'm Kathy. I'm a physical therapist, and we're going to start with some ankle dorsiflexion. Now, there's a couple of different ways that you can do this. The first way I'm going to show you using just a looped band. I find that this is a little bit easier, especially if you have trouble with your hands. So I'm going to go ahead and put this around the balls of my feet, just like so. And yellow is a lighter resistance, but because I want you to be able to see it, I'm just going to use this color because it's nice and bright. So we're going to start with ankle dorsiflexion. We're just going to lift our foot up, and we'll do about 10 or 20 of these. If your ankles feel tired after 10 repetitions, you can stop and rest. But for a lot of people that I work with, 20 seems to be a good number. And with these, we can do 2 or 3 sets. The reason we want to do so many of these is because as we are walking throughout the day, with every step that we take, we have to lift up our ankle to clear our foot and make sure we don't trip over our toes. So 20 is a good number for these. Once you've done one side, you can go ahead and work the other side, just lifting it up like this. The other thing with this is you'll notice I have my feet a little bit forward, and I feel like that helps so that I can get just a little bit more range of motion. So the next exercise I'm going to do is ankle eversion, which is that motion where you're going out to the side. So I'm going to lift my ankle up and out. I still have my feet a little bit forward. And this helps also to lift your foot as you're walking. And so we're just going to lift out into the side. I find that this is a really hard motion, especially for people that may have had a stroke in the past. So it's one of those muscles that's really important to strengthen. So we'll go ahead and do the other side now. And when you're doing these exercises, you can do them about 2 or 3 times a week. If it's a couple of days later and your ankles are still sore from doing these, what you might want to do is do some stretches for the calf muscles. I've got a video, I'll link it up here. You can take a look at that, and that'll show you how to do some stretches. So those are the first two, and I really think that those are the two most important ones for most of the people I work with, because getting your foot to clear the floor when you're walking is probably one of the most critical things. So the next exercise, we're going to use this type of band here. It's a resistance band with a little loop at the end. If you wanted to, you could put a little knot in this end here so that you'll have something a little bit better to hold on to. But I'm just going to put that right around the ball of my foot, and I'm going to press down, still keeping my foot a little bit forward so that I can go through more range of motion. And if you find that these are easy, you can just do another few repetitions, or you can switch and do the ones where you're in standing. That's always a good option because these are easy for a lot of people. But if you can't do the heel raise standing up, where you're standing and holding on and lifting up your heels, go ahead and give this a try because it'll strengthen those same muscles, just a little bit easier version. Alrighty. So the next exercise we're going to do is inversion. So for this one, what I'm going to do is hold the band out to the side, and I'm going to swing my foot to the inside. Now you'll notice when I'm doing this, my knee is not going in like that. I'm keeping this part of my leg still and really trying to isolate that motion into the muscles that are in here and on the side of the leg. So I'm swinging in, keeping that knee stable. I like to put my hand on the side of my knee just to make sure that it stays where it's supposed to. And we'll do a few more. Of course, if you're doing these at home, you'll want to work both sides. If you want to continue working on your ankles for better walking and balance, watch this playlist next.